For over 100 years, barren brug grasses and legumes have provided livestock producers with innovative, nutritious, and palatable forage products. Through intense and rigorous breeding programs, we carefully select and develop grasses and legumes that increase weight gain, reduce feed costs, and resist environmental pressures and disease. We pride ourselves on providing producers with forage solutions that are both tactical and practical. They address specific agricultural needs and are easily implemented within the grower's existing capabilities and resources. Developed for high-producing dairy operations, our revolutionary NutriFiber technology promotes rumen health while reducing acidosis and increasing milk production and butter fat. The secret to NutriFiber's nutritional benefits lies in achieving the ideal balance of non-fiber carbohydrates and neutral detergent fiber. Many common rations contain too much non-fiber carbohydrates and too little neutral detergent fiber. This imbalance can lead to chronic lactic acidosis, which in turn can create a number of health problems in dairy cows and other ruminants. Supplemental feeds are often used to add fiber, but not all fiber is created equal. To accurately measure the quality of a fiber, it needs to be evaluated for its digestibility. In a new test called the Total Tract Neutral Detergent Fiber Digestibility Procedure, forages containing NutriFiber technology were shown to be over 23% more digestible than other types of forage grasses, with equivalent ratios of neutral detergent fiber.
Many of our farmers have gone away from grasses totally, and that's because they are familiar with our grandfather's grasses, the timothys and bromes. The fescues and the NutriFibers are a total different generation of grasses that are very, very high quality.
NutriFiber technology is available in 4 barren brug forage products to meet a wide variety of growing conditions and livestock needs.
I'm a dairy nutritionist. My interest is trying to get high quality fiber into high producing dairy cows. And so the NutriFiber grasses, we found very, very good responses in terms of milk yield and milk composition, healthy cows by feeding NutriFiber forages.
One of the big problems we run into with dairy herds is too much readily fermentable carbohydrate, which makes the rumen acid and gives the cows an upset stomach, so they don't eat so much.
What we find in a number of our studies is we've taken a third of the alfalfa and corn silage out of rations and replaced it with NutriFiber, actually raised the fiber content of the diet, have increased milk components, increased the value of the milk, and in some cases actually increased milk production by adding NutriFiber grasses to the diet.
We were looking for a little more digestibility out of our haylage, so we started putting NutriFiber grass with it, and we've seen good results. I see a real palatable feed that the cattle love. I think it's increased our milk production, our fat test, basic herd health.
From an agronomic standpoint, having a little bit of grass in with the alfalfa gives us a couple benefits. One is if we have some wet spots in some of the fields, the grass may survive when the alfalfa doesn't.
I think it helps us with our low and wet areas. We get tonnage off of there.
The other thing is pure alfalfa will sometimes get pushed out of the ground by freezing and thawing, and with grass it doesn't so much. With these good winter hardy types, we're seeing a rapid spring green up and a good high yield for the growing season.
We're on a pretty aggressive cutting schedule, and it handles regrowth real well.
I think we're seeing producers that are beginning to identify that this is an opportunity. Using a highly digestible source of fiber in a good quality grass to complement excellent quality forage management, which means more milk production and better rumen health.